Hey, hi, hello, what is up everyone? It is me, Linnea. How are you all doing? If you are new here, again, my name is Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become a little bit semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes. So, if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If you're not new here, welcome back. Missed you. Today it is, I still consider it to be peach season, and peaches are one of my most favorite fruits. But I wanted to do something unique with peaches. I do actually have another peach recipe coming up. It's the next one I'm gonna make. But this one, I made like a Peach Orzo Summer Salad. So that's what we're making today. A Peach Orzo Summer Salad. I'm not sure if my husband will like it. He is a bit picky when it comes to food and different flavors, so we'll see in the end if he likes it. If it's something you're interested in, if it is something that you're interested in, just keep watching. Let's make this summer salad. Alright, this is an entire 16-ounce box, package, whatever your Orzo comes in. I cooked the whole thing. And it has been cooling for like 4 hours, so it's nice and cool. And now I have 2 corns on the cobs. You can use canned corn if you want, but I like it fresh. So that is corn from 2 cobs. I also have about a ½ cup of red onion, maybe more, I'm not sure. My husband loves onions, so we got. Now I have about a pound of cooked chicken. This is a small bowl. This is like the biggest bowl I have for this, so we're gonna have to make it work. So I've got about a pound of cooked chicken here. Chicken thighs, you can use breasts. I prefer thighs. Do what you want. Alright, now I have 2 peaches. Unfortunately, they're not the most ripe. The store just didn't really have super ripe peaches. It's alright. It's better than nothing. They're pretty soft. So, I'm gonna leave the skins on because that's what I like. You do what you like. I don't mind the skins. Yeah, these aren't juicy at all. I love a good mushy peach. It's alright. It's going into a salad. These are not good peaches. I'm really having trouble swallowing it. It's fine. It's fine. I'm telling myself it's fine. Ugh. In fact, when I was at the store picking peaches, there was an older lady there. She was quite old, like quite old. Had to have been at least 80 probably. Her and I had a full conversation about peaches as we stood there picking them out. So, you can talk to anyone in the store. I chose her. This one's better. This one's much better. This bowl is not big enough. Oh no. I'm gonna have to smash it in. I also bought an avocado to go in this. I don't think I'm gonna add it because I don't think it's gonna fit. So we're gonna make the dressing. I'm gonna attempt to mix all of this up. All right, in this bowl, I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of Dijon. I'm not measuring because I don't like to measure. I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna do about 1/3 of a cup of Mike's Hot Honey. Probably more than that, but that's all right. I'm gonna do about 1/2 cup of olive oil. Again, I'm not measuring. That's probably good. Crack some black pepper in it, and just enough to make it feel like it's in there. It also does call for garlic. I don't have any currently. I mean, I do. It's just downstairs, and I'm not going down there right now. And then we're gonna do a teaspoon of salt. And then finally, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This lemon is massive. Like, it's so big. They had smaller ones, but they didn't feel good, and this one felt good, so, yeah. Right. I don't remember if I said this, but it does call for mozzarella pearls. I do have them. I'll add them later. We're just gonna Honestly, I didn't think you would like it.
Well, I mean,
I think it'll be better when it's cold, but
it's still cold.
I kind of made it, and I was like, I don't think Jonathan's gonna like this. That's why I got you potato salad. I like it. It's like my kind of flavors, but I thought it might be a little weird for you.
The flavors are good. They're good.
What do you not like about it?
No, I mean, it's different than like what I normally like, but there's nothing inherently bad with it.
Probably because it's just not really like plain. You're kind of a plain flavor guy, kind of.
No, there's certain, like sometimes.
You're gonna need a knife for that. Oh Lord.
There's sometimes it's just certain like textures and stuff with me.
Like, do you think it's the peach that gives you a weird texture?
No, sometimes like cheeses even gives like a weird texture. Because when it's not really cold, it's kind of like warm and slimy.
That's what I said. Maybe it'll be better when it's cold. Cold.
I love the pasta.
The orzo, yeah. I like it. It's very summery. It's like super good summer salad, in my opinion. It'll be good for a barbecue. Maybe I'll make it if Kathy and Corey have a Labor Day barbecue. Can make it. I think they'd like it.
I'd eat it. Like,
actually, the peaches are really good in it. I was kind of like doubting it, but they're good.
Like, definitely has more flavor than a potato salad.
Yeah, good old Reese's, right? Yeah.
I have no idea.
Yeah. Yep. That's what that is. All right. Well.
I mean, the chicken's definitely really good.
That's a Deerberg special. All right. Well.
Very juicy.
Juicy?
Juicy.
Juicy?
Look at all that juice.
All right. Well, I'm going to hang it up here because I would also like to eat my dinner. Do you have any final words?
I mean, for someone that's like picky, I think it's still really good.
Yeah, he is very picky, y'all. He's a picky man. I mean, not super picky, not like chicken tenders always picky, but like, he is picky. So.
Like, really, the only thing that's like a little bit weird to me in it, not the fruit.
Is it the cheese? Oh. Well, yeah. Weird. I got to not put cheese in it next time.
Well, I mean, sometimes, to me, like big chunks of cheese and like pasta dishes. I don't know. Sometimes they can creep me out, especially if they get a little bit warm.
Creep me out.
Well,
yeah.
The texture gets like watery and.
Fair.
So, but no, like I think the flavor works well together. Like.
All right.
It's got a nice vinegar flavor to it.
Yeah, I didn't really measure anything. I just kind of.
I like I love the red onions, and I like the whatever the green is, parsley.
Basil.
Basil.
Basil. All right, we're hanging it up because I would like to eat my dinner, and you got some avocado to eat. All right, we'll see everybody in the next video. Okay, bye.